Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Remember the last one? It's back, me, Monique again. Today we're going to be making a carrot and courgette muffin. So first we need to wash our hands. Now I'm here in the bathroom and we're going to be washing our hands. Hey guys, I'm back from washing my hands. Now they're all nice and clean. And they take that bacteria away. Now we're going to start cooking. Now first we need to add So we're first going to use our carrot and we're going to grate the carrot. Peel the carrot. But be very careful to not cut yourself. All done. Now we're going to be cutting it with a knife. Cut little tiny pieces. Still more. Okay, one away, guys. Now we're going to grate. And we're going to be using this side. After this, when it gets actually really small, ask a grown-up to help you. Now we cleaned up and now we're going to grate the carrot. So my mother's going to help me grating the carrot because last time I was grating a carrot and then it peeled my skin and got a cut. Now we're going to grate the courgette. Now we're going to use the same side. It's hard to do it.
Nossa, tirei isso aqui.
If you need help, you can ask a grown-up. Need help. I can see it on.
Yeah?
There's lots.
Is that enough?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Wow. Hey guys, I'm back from grating the carrots and the courgette. Now we're going to put the carrots and the courgette inside of the dry bowl, the wet bowl I meant. With our hands. Now we're going, see, now it's all nice. Now we're going to be cracking one egg. Knock, knock, knock. Again. Knock, knock. It's cracking. Got some slippery. It's egg. Now we're going to be dipping the egg inside of the courgette and carrot. Now mix it with the whisk. the mixing champion. It's hard to mix with this hand, but it's easier to mix with the other hand. Okay, so we're back from mixing them. Now we're going to put 1 scoop of coconut oil. Now we're going to be adding 2 tablespoons of coconut milk. 1, 2. Now we're going to be mixing it up with our fork. Ooh, they smell nice. Can you hear the sounds, guys? Now we're going to add all of these raisins in here, pouring into our bowl. And let's mix them. Oh, the sun came out again. The sun keeps on going away, coming back. Going away, coming back. Now we're finished mixing the wet ingredients. Now we're going to put in the dry ingredients. Now we're going to put in the flour. My mom is just getting the flour. So now we're going to put 2 table cups of flour.
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons of flour, I meant. Another one. Look, it looks so sad, but floury. Now we're going to put 1 more tablespoon of flour in the dry bowl. Now we're going to add some sugar. 1 cup of sugar.
1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon of sugar. Brown sugar. Now we're going to mix with the hard spoon. So the baking powder, this baking powder, it's for them to rise up. And we're going to be mixing it again. So now we're finished mixing them. Now we're going to pour the wet ingredients inside of the dry ingredients. Now we're going to mix it with the hard spoon again. Now we're going to use 2 teaspoons to put it in the cupcake cups, whatever you call them. So we fill that all the way into the middle. So this one's already done. Now we're going to do the other ones. So now can you see these are all in the pots, in the cups. Now we're going to put it in the oven. Then after when we put it in the oven, we will clean up.
See?
It is. It's warm. Now we're just going to wash our hands again. Bye bye. It's all nice and finished. Can you see? It's a little bit too hot, but let's let it to cool down and then we'll try it and see how it tastes like. And remember, subscribe, click the thumbs up and link the video.